Tiny Treasures and Toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Our Teletubbies toys are arriving on the yellow Bright Starts pop-up yellow airplane. Let's hop off, Teletubbies. The front of the airplane is smiling and has a purple nose and 2 eyes. The 3 Teletubbies left on the plane want to pop off the train, and Tiny Treasures Minnie is going to help me. The first animal that popped up was a little tiger. Tinky Winky had fun flying up in the air. Next is Dipsy. What animal is it? Tiny Treasures Minnie thinks it's a hippo. I think it might be a dinosaur. What do you think, Tiny fans? Last is Poe. Ribbit, ribbit. It's a little green frog. And now the plane is going to take off, but let's put all of our animals back inside the plane. Wave goodbye to the zebra, hippo, and elephant. They're about to take off and fly into the sky. Did you spot the tiny Dora backpack earlier in the video? If not, go back and have a look. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.